Alright, let's take a look at what my lucky dog surprise is. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and today I am really excited to do this unboxing of the Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 pickup truck kit. I just want to give a shout out and give appreciation to Boom Racing and Asia Tees for giving me this opportunity to get this BRX02 kit a little bit early so I can start on this build. So let's get started with the unboxing. First I'm going to take off the shrink wrap and we'll take a look at the packaging. Alright, as you can see from the front panel, you can build it with the cab or with the top off. So here's a good look at the front of this box. It's a little heavy. Let's look at this bottom panel right here. So here it is with the top on, and here it is with the top off. Now this is a shorter wheelbase than the 109 that they've already released. And we'll take a look at the specifics of that. So on this panel, this is the layout of the chassis. Nice forward mounted motor. It's really scale design. So this one's got a 280 millimeter wheelbase. I believe the 109 was a 313 or somewhere around there. But this is 280 millimeters, so this is a short wheelbase rig, and it is on leaf springs. Top panel here. Alright, here on the top panel we can see some of the nice scale features of this rig, scale features and details. Here are the highlights of this body. There, can we get a better look? On the back we can see basically the BRX02 platform. It's got the BRX80 fat axles, kudu shocks from Boom Racing, high clearance skid, which is nice to see the chassis layout, really scale design, the transfer case and the transmission right here. It is a leaf spring rig. So pretty awesome. And look at this. So there's some customization on there. I think it's just the nameplate, but we'll have to open it up and check it out. Take a look at that. These are the plates, BRX88. Alright. Let's take a look at this and open it up. Here is the hard body. You can get a better look at this. This is the box for the hard body. Mystery gift inside. I wonder what that is. Alright. Let's take a look at the hard body first. See some of the wording on the box. Every Land Rover has its own unique story to tell. What's yours? Pretty cool. Alright, so got the instruction booklet, grill. This is just the box for the hard body. Seats. Well, there's quite a bit here. Could this be? Alright, let's come back to the body later. But pretty much this box has all the parts for the body. We'll come back to it later where I could just spread out the pieces. Alright, inside the rest of the box, instruction manual for the rest of the chassis. Now you can see how nicely this kit is packaged. Here. So as you can see, it's all nicely packaged. There's the axles, transmission, the wheels and tires right here. These are, I believe, boom racing tires. Yep. Mileage classic tires. Even comes with a JX servo. I think it's a shifting servo. But yeah, take a look at these parts. Kudu shocks right here. Nice drive shafts. Bumper. The rails are right here. Let's take a look at these axles. They're really nice. Really, really nice. Transmission housing. These springs are in here. There. Chassis rail. Hardware. Tools and oil, so that's all supplied. Screws and gears. Some more parts. This one looks like, can't really tell what it is. Links, some links, yes. Steering link. Take a look at these steelies and tires once again. Really nice scale steel wheels. Rubber compound feels pretty good. Don't know if it's their gecko compound or whatever it is. Yeah, gecko compound. Just see it right there. Pretty sweet. Alright. Put this back. Alright. Now let's go back to the body. Hard body manual. Seats. Rubber mirrors. Hardware. Door panels. Hood. Another hood for use with a spare tire. Cab top. This looks like the dash. Body mounts with chassis. Floor of the cab. The seats go on top of this. Spare tire for the hood with the spare. I'm guessing this is the mystery gift. I believe these are like scaled dog figures or something. We'll open it up later. Spare tire wheel. Back half of the body. Parts trees. The windows right here. Looks like I got my work cut out for me. This is probably the cowling for the window. Front windshield. Light lenses. Front of the body. Light buckets. And another parts tree. Alright, let's take a look at what my lucky dog surprise is. The dog is in pieces. My dog is yellow. Is this a golden retriever maybe? Here's my mystery surprise. Looks like probably looks a Labrador. What should we name it? As you can see here, as far as the body goes, I clearly have my work cut out for me. Really excited to get started on this build. This will be my last build for the year of 2023. So really excited to get this done in the next 3 weeks or so. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 3 88 build. Thanks for watching.